friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, do you know how to enable missing picture in picture mode for WhatsApp and Android and YouTube on Android? So if you're not able to understand or you're not able to turn this on, so here is the fix. So please you have to turn this on if it is already off. So if it is like this, you have to turn this on. Please be in the video till the end so that I could give you the solution. So here we will go to phone settings. Let's tap on it. Now we will go to apps, tap on it, tap here. Now tap on app management. Then you have to search both the apps respectively because this video is for both the apps, for WhatsApp and for YouTube also. So let's search here. You can manually search here also. So first of all we will go for WhatsApp. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down and you can see picture in picture is here. So you have to turn this on for picture in picture. Now you can see if it is already turned off, you have to turn this on. If it is already like this, so it means you are good to go. So let me read this message. What is written here: allow this app to create a picture in picture window while the app is open or after you leave it, or for example to continue watching a video, this window will be displayed on top of the apps you are using, right? So this should be turn this on like this. So if it is already there is no worry. If it is turned off already, then you have to turn this on and then you just go back and again. Now you have to find YouTube now. So let's search YouTube also. Tap on it, go below. Now you can see again picture in picture mode is here. Let's tap on it and again you have to turn this on if it is already off. So if it is like this, you have to turn this on. Okay, so I hope this is going to help you out and you enjoyed the video. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.